Hello everyone. Lot of Fiverr sellers have received a notification on Fiverr that Fiverr is starting a Fiverr subscription service. So, are you confused about it? That what is this kind of service? So, don't worry because I am going to explain this. First of all, let me introduce you myself. My name is Shazz and I am Fiverr community leader of Pakistan and different kind of ranking and Fiverr terms videos will you can find on my channel or my FB group that is called Pakistan Pro Trainer. Okay, so let's jump main topic Fiverr subscription and what is this? So the first thing is that don't worry about that. Don't think a lot about that. If you have any kind of question, you can shoot in the comment box. But other than that, you can ask me as well. But I will try my best to cover all kind of questions in this video. The first thing is what is this and what we are going to discuss. So, as a lot of people already know that this is a monthly based service. Monthly based means you can provide your any kind of service for 30 days and people can subscribe your service. So you can provide any kind of your service, like if you are article writer, if you are video editor, if you are providing SEO service or any kind of service, you can make a fixed monthly based package and people can avail your service by subscribing your this package. Okay, let's suppose for example I am providing article. Let's suppose I'm providing article and my package is like I will write 30 articles with on-page SEO for 1 month and I will charge like you can say $300 or $600 for this service. So now if any person is interested in my this service, they can simply come at my service and just click on subscribe and they will get my service for the month, or if he has subscribed for 2 months, 3 months, they will they will get my service for that time period. So in this process, what Fiverr want that sellers can get a long-term contract or long-term clients. So it would benefit them as well, as they are also charging 20% from a Fiverr order, but it will help us to gain some permanent clients, like you are getting kind of clients on Upwork or other platform. So this is a big change and I think this change a lot of things, especially for people that are providing SEO services, article writing services, because these kind of clients need someone who can work for long term. So if you are providing article writing or SEO service, so don't miss your chance. You need to create it as soon as possible for this service, and this is going to be huge. If you're still confused, are you still confused? Okay. If you're still confused, let me tell you in easiest way, most easiest way. A lot of people know about Netflix. I hope so. Everyone know about Netflix. What happened on Netflix? That if we are interested in movies, dramas, or any kind of TV shows, Netflix says that just pay our monthly subscription fee, like $9, $10, whatever the fee is, and enjoy our service for 30 days, for 1 month. So what we basically do, we just open the website netflix.com and subscribe their service and enjoy the premium show for 30 days. So what will happen when this 30 days will end? Then Netflix will charge our card automatically for the next month. So same thing will happen on Fiverr, that we will provide our own service on Fiverr, and people can subscribe and enjoy our service for 30 days. And what will happen when these 30 days will finish? Then Fiverr will charge automatically for next 30 days. So this is basically a monthly based subscription services which is coming on Fiverr. Same thing as I have another example like SEMrush. SEMrush is a keyword finding tool people use for SEO purpose. So what they do, they are also charging for monthly based subscription like $149 or whatever the price is. Just I have just entered there randomly. So you can create your own monthly package. I hope these examples will clear your mind. So it's good or bad? Tell me about this in your according to your own thinking in comments. But according to me, it's really good for SEO clients and article writers. But if you are providing like quick kind of services, uh, maybe if you still think bit of different or out of the box, you can still get advantage from that. So I think it's good, but a lot of things would be clear after getting this feature. So I will wait for your own review. What do you think about that? And and ho- and yes, especially if you are new here, uh, do join our Facebook group, which is called Pakistan Pro Trainer by Training. In this Facebook group, we are providing free trainings related to Fiverr, freelancing, affiliate marketing, and a lot of other stuff. So do join this Facebook group. And even if you want to rank your gigs, still do join this group. Okay, along with that, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more kind of videos because I will analyze in depth all other upcoming services and upcoming things. So do subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.